Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove lightning or mobile actions from page layouts in Salesforce. This is essential for customizing how your users interact with records on mobile devices and in Lightning Experience, ensuring they have quick access to the actions that matter most. First, you'll need to navigate to Setup by clicking the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. This gear icon is your gateway to all administrative settings and configurations within Salesforce. Once you click it, a menu will appear, and from there, select Setup to access the full range of customization options available. Next, click on Object Manager from the Setup menu. The Object Manager is where you'll find all the standard and custom objects in your Salesforce org. It's the central hub for managing how your data is structured and displayed. Now, search for and select the object you want to modify. For example, if you're working with customer information, you might choose Account. Simply type the object name into the search bar and click on it when it appears. Once you've selected your object, click on Page Layouts in the left sidebar of the Object's Management settings. Page layouts control how fields, sections, and actions are arranged on record pages, so this is where you'll customize the user experience. From the list of available page layouts, select and click the page layout you want to update. Keep in mind that different user profiles might use different layouts, so make sure you're editing the right one. Now hover over the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions section on the layout. This section determines which quick actions appear when users view records on mobile or in Lightning Experience. If this is the first time you're customizing this section, you'll need to click the wrench icon to override the default actions. This unlocks the section for editing and allows you to personalize it. In the palette on the left side of the screen, click on Mobile and Lightning Actions to see all available actions. These might include options like logging calls, creating tasks, sending emails, or custom actions you've built for your organization. To add an action, simply drag it from the palette into the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions section on the layout. This makes the action immediately accessible to users when they're working with records. If you need to remove an action that's already there, drag it out of the section and back to the palette. This removes it from the layout without deleting the action entirely. You can also arrange actions in the order you want them to appear by dragging them within the section. The order you set here determines the sequence users will see, so place the most frequently used actions at the top for easier access. Finally, click Save at the top left to apply your changes. Your customizations will now be live for all users assigned to this page layout, giving them a tailored experience that matches their workflow needs. You've now successfully customized Lightning and mobile actions on your Salesforce page layouts, making it easier for your team to work efficiently on any device. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.